So welcome to Benin Salagba Civil Academy. So today we are going to be running the analysis of this structure. But before we run the analysis, we are going to be selecting our materials. So first of all, we are going to this our settings. So okay, let's not go there first. Let's go to analysis. Then from analysis, analysis will go there. So go to our analysis, go to building analysis. So from building analysis, we are going to be telling the software the range of reinforcement that he should pick from. First of all, we are going to edit our material. So from here, you tell the software between 10 mm, between 12 mm is going to pick. So our grade of concrete first, we double click here. So when we double click, we have to wait. Let's say we are taking C25 or C30, apply to all. Okay, we need to apply to all so that it will be the same thing for the column and beam. Now we'll come to our steel. So our grade of steel, let's say we take 416. When you are choosing your grade of steel, choose a lower grade when designing, so that inside, if they use a higher grade, you are on the safer side. If you choose this 500 for your design and the design pass, and they not go to purchase 410 the same size, so you may not be on the safer side. That's why I like choosing the 460. They say apply to all. Here you're going to edit the materials. So when you click edit, you look at column. The only member we are designing is column, beam, and foundation with steel. So we come at column. We are going to be choosing 12 mm and 16 mm. So the software we choose one that is suitable. Now we come here. This is our beam. Our beam are going to choose 12 mm and 16 mm because this is just a small structure. And then this is our foundation. We are going to be choosing 12 mm and then 16 mm as well. So for our foundation. Then for the steel ropes, we are going to be choosing 8 mm and 10 mm. So we have selected our materials. Now we'll click OK, apply to all, we'll click OK, then we'll click OK. Now the material are the same. Now we are going to setting our design criterion. So we'll click our design center. First of all, we are going to be considering only foundation. Now we'll come our foundation. Now we are going to set the minimal thickness of the foundation. Let's say the minimal width is 1.2 meter by 1.2 meter. Minimum thickness, let's say 300 of the foundation. Now the maximum bar spacing, let's say 200. Then the length, the base concrete cover is 40. Let's say 50 concrete cover. Then we want it to be singly reinforced. So for that reason, we are going to turn this off. So now, having done that, our soil bearing capacity, our soil unit is 18, that is standard. Soil bearing capacity, we are going to be using 180, that is as part according to the soil investigation, soil report rather. So we have it that. Then for our beam, we can just come to our detailing. We click our section. We are going to be choosing only one in the span. Then we call our rebar. So you see this one, we're going to make it to be shown. Click here so that it will be shown fully in our detailing. So I have set that. I think this should be all. Okay, we come to our parameters. We leave it as it is. Okay, maximum space for the leak, let's say 200. Minimum space, maximum again 200. Then minimum 100. So I think this should be all now. So click OK. Now we have set it. Now we'll go to our analysis. First of all, before we analyze, we are going to check if the modeling, if there is any mistake, maybe the steel beam and the steel column are clashing, or there is any, we repeated the same column for the particular grid, a particular spot. Instead of one, we place 2 columns, or 2 or 3 columns are using the same identity. That's why I have to run this building model check. So we click it. So here now we'll now start the building model check. So these are all the things we want to check. We check for overlapping of slab, column intersection, this. So after everything, building model check completed, number of error is 0. That means there is no error. So we're going to close this. Proceed to our building building design. So for our building design, we are going to be analysis. We are going to be doing only analysis. We are not going to design. If we want to design, we'll tick all those ones, but we are going to be running only analysis. So we'll click analysis. So we'll wait for it to run. It'll take some time for it to run. So we're going to suspect it while it's running. So that's fully run the light. This is drift warning. So we're going to fix that. Click OK. Everything's okay. Now close. Now this building has been fully analyzed. It has not been designed. Let's check. Let's be seeing what we are doing now. You click review. You click design status. Now you can see not designed. That means if it is designed to be green, if the design is analysis expire, we see it will show this. If there is one, it will show yellow. If it fails, it's going to be red. So now do not design. That is this to show you there is an error. So now what are we going to do? We are going to be doing performing our design. First of all, come design. Let's first of all design all the corporate column. So we click on corporate column. So it will automatically design all. Now you see none has been designed. That's why it's like this. So we click a batch mode. We want to design all of them in group. We click reselect all bars. So we click OK. So when we click OK, it's going to design this beam according to the area of steel with respect to the load, and it's going to choose the diameter of the bar according to our provision from the editing we did the other time. So now it has designed all the column. You can see if you want to check any column, you can just click this one, click report, so you can generate a report to see whatever we have done so far. So if you come in and see the column is green, that means it's okay. Now the next thing we are going to be doing, let's design our concrete beam. Click here. We have rib beam, we have foundation, so there's no rib slab. So that's why I'm using only story. Now those are the number of beams. We have 4 beams. So we click batch mode. On batch mode, we do the same thing we did in column. So right click. If any member fails, we'll see. If any member fails from our specification, if the load is higher than what we designed, it will show here. Then from here, we can now fix it in case if there's any failed member. So let's wait a little bit while the beam design. So it's running now. The beam has been fully designed. You can see all of them has been designed. So just close it. You can see it's green now. So what is next now? Our concrete, our steel column. So we just come here. This is our column. We click it. If there's any failed member, we will still know. Here we just select all. Check all. Just have to design steel. Check all. So it's going to select all the column and design them. So we just need to exercise some patience. So you can see those are the number of columns that are failing. That means the section we choose are not sufficient. How do you know? This utilization ratio 0.8 is great, is less than 1. 1 must be greater than this. So if this is 0.9, that means you are at risk. So now you can see the number that passed. So if you close it, you can see all the columns, almost all the columns are failing. So we'll come back to there in our next class, talk about how to fix this. So now let's design our steel beam, which is our rafter. So we're going to check all. If anyone is failing again, we'll still know. So you can see that's all. Sometimes if you are designing, choose a higher section. In case of failure, you can easily fix. So click here, close. See now all the beam